What's going on, everybody? I know y'all see the snow behind me. It is a snowy day in Atlanta. I done brought the cold back from me from Denver, but yeah, we're gonna get back into this. I do plan on making this a series, so you clicked on the video. You know what it is. This is week 2 of just my complete raw and honest journey of YouTube. I recommend y'all subscribe to really follow this journey because I do plan on making this a consistent thing. I'm likely going to post every Friday, kind of an update of how my YouTube is going personally. So if y'all are thinking about YouTube, y'all can literally follow me on my journey and how things are going. And it's even convenient for us because I have been getting a little bit of decent. Okay, have been getting a little bit of decent traction on my YouTube. So I do have a little bit of confidence that if I keep going, some good things will happen. So. I'm kind of just gonna run y'all through some of my analytics. I might put them on the screen depending on how much I need to. But so yeah, first thing is I have gained 51 subscribers total in the last 7 days. It's been 26, so that's about 25 subscribers a week, which is about expected because I'm at the point now where I'm getting a little momentum. People from my old videos are watching my new videos and things like that. And YouTube actually does show you a lot of these little advanced metrics, advanced stats, so those are convenient. But I'm actually, it's really nice that I'm having more subscribers this week because I did have that one video that's actually touched 1,000 views. So I do feel pretty accomplished to have my second video ever touch 1,000 views. I'm humbled, and I want to thank every one of y'all if you were part of that. I really appreciate it because it really is a blessing to have a video with already 1,000 views. That's just going to change the trajectory and really give me more confidence and allow me to keep doing this. So like I said, I really appreciate y'all who watched that video. But yeah, it's nice that people are still watching that video. I actually gained 2 subscribers from that video alone this week. It's also nice because I don't know what it is and I'm really not worried about it. I'm just going to give it time. But here recently, these last few days, the last 2-3 days, my videos haven't really been getting pushed out as much. And I'm not the type to, blame the algorithm or anything. Like, if it's on my videos, that's fine. But I don't know. I just feel like it'd be one thing if I was getting high reach and just a low impression and low click-through rate and all that. But I haven't even really been getting reach. So I'll give it time. I'm not too stressed about that. One of my videos from like 2 days ago finally starting to get some traction today. So that gave me a little bit more confidence. But yeah, if any of y'all know what that is, I talked to ChatGPT. Like I said, I talk to ChatGPT a lot. Really, it helps me out through this YouTube. They give me kind of ideas for the thumbnail. Like, I'll send transcripts and they'll give me ideas for thumbnails. They'll give me ideas for shorts. Oh, that's another thing. Another reason why it's kind of convenient that I was still able to get more subscribers this week, even though it was only one more. But it was convenient I was able to get more subscribers this week is because when I was in Denver, the Wi-Fi was very weak. Because, like, well, y'all, go watch that video and see where we were staying. Like, we were literally staying in the mountains. So, yeah, I was really banking on just videos that I had already posted. I was able to post one video of the whole packing video. I was able to post that when we had got to like downtown Denver and I finally found a spot with some solid Wi-Fi. But and I was on like vacation, so I wasn't really worried about YouTube as much. I kind of just wanted to make sure I was getting a video a day. And that's another thing. I have been posting a video a day. For those who were wondering, I haven't been, just riding on the once or twice a week. I'm more of a till I get going, I'm more of a quantity over quality type of guy. I'm really just trying to push these videos out, get these videos to see what y'all mess with. That's the thing, and that's I'm really glad at this approach I'm doing because I'm really finding out what y'all are messing with and what y'all aren't messing with. And a lot of these things I feel like y'all will mess with as I go on, and y'all realize who I am. Because right now I'm just some random with 69 subscribers talking to y'all. But once I get a little credibility behind my name, and once I get just a audience who cares who I am, I feel like a lot of those older videos will do. And that's a benefit I think of YouTube. I still haven't cross-platform promoted. I still haven't made my way to Instagram and told people about my YouTube. So that's another plus. I expect to get a good bit of subscribers just from releasing and telling people that I have one. Because right now the people locally. If you have found this channel and you know me personally, go ahead and send me a text to my number. I won't get it on Instagram or Snap until February because, like I said, I have deleted social media, and that's one thing that really has helped because it allows you to stay focused on this because you realize how much time we actually have in a day. And yes, class started back up for me, but still, even with class starting, like I have a lot of time. So it's easy to kind of just get one video in, recording, spend 10 minutes or so planning for it, spend 10 minutes to 20 minutes recording, and then, because I put the subtitles, those end up being 20 to 30 minutes. Really, it ends up being about 10 to 15 more minutes longer than the video because I end up going through like the video just because you're stopping and editing and stuff. So for a 25 or for a 15-minute video, I'm spending 25 to 30 minutes editing. So it's really not that bad when you take in the fact that an hour a day, you can get a video a day, and they're really just planting seeds. Like I said, here early, man, I wish I had better lighting. I got to figure out how to do that. Y'all give me tips on how to do better lighting too. I'll probably just try to brighten this video. But like I said, this is a community thing. This is a family thing. Y'all all small creators. I need y'all help because I can do my research on the algorithm, which I do. And I do a lot of research on how like the algorithm works, what people are liking, what audience are working, all the click-through rates and all that. I'm gonna get to my click-through rate and all that too. But yeah, I talked about in my last video a lot of the things and a lot of the methods that I'm doing as far as algorithm and trying to boost my content as well. So like I said, man, I'm really gonna make this a series. Y'all go ahead and check out that first one. Every Friday I will be dropping a video like this. But we can talk about my analytics more. I have 7.2K views. Now a lot of those are shorts. I really don't know how to separate it on my phone. But like I said, you got that main video that got 1,000. Then I have another one that I assume is going to get 1,000. I mean, I know it's early, but the stats and the metrics are looking really good. So that's probably going to gain me some following too. And then I'm currently at 109 watch hours. Let me see what my videos are alone. Yeah, so my videos alone have 2K views, and I'm currently at a 3.9% click-through impressions rate or whatever, which is solid. They said anywhere between 2 to 5 is like, solid, and then 5 to 10 is like really good, and below 2 is what you're kind of worried is what you want to improve. So I'll really take a 3.9, especially going a video a day. Currently sitting at a almost 3-minute average view duration, so that's not terrible. Especially since some of my more recent videos have been shorter, and I am thinking about like putting out more longer videos. That's why I don't know if y'all noticed, but two of my videos this week kind of longer, just because I really am trying to get monetized. I'm not gonna hide that from y'all. I am trying to get monetized. I'm trying to get monetized fast because that's when YouTube becomes something that you look forward to. That's when you get that money in and everything, and it really just you get to reap the benefits and reap the rewards of the grind. So I am trying to get monetized. Y'all help me out by sharing my page, commenting for sure, and liking. That's one thing I have noticed. Engagement is king for sure. Engagement is king. If you can get people to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, but specifically liking and comment, because apparently, and I believe it because but the two videos that have got comments. Okay, so apparently if you reply to the comments, it does very good for the video. So I'm starting to believe that because I have been replying to every comment. And like I said, I have had good success early with this YouTube. Like, even though, only 2 of my videos have touched 500 views, it's only been 14. This is only day 13 or 14. So I'm really not too mad at that. And I feel like I'm really setting myself up in a position to, get some good momentum going. So that's why I'm continuing to drop a video a day. Go ahead, subscribe so you can see a video a day. If you don't think I can do it, let me prove you wrong. But yeah, 83.9% of my videos are coming from browse features, which is really, really good. And then, oh, this is cool. Like, I'm seeing other videos that are recommending me, like some No Sean Moreno and Aaron Murray video was recommending my video. So that's real YouTube. You really trying to get my stuff out there. I mess with that. But yeah, you can see all types of things. I really like YouTube Studio. That's another thing. If y'all are hesitant and you don't know if you're quite ready to start, one thing that's gave me a lot of confidence is how good this YouTube Studio app is. Like, I've always been kind of a numbers guy. I'm a business major at Georgia Tech. We do a lot of just analytics and stuff like that. So it is nice to seeing, especially since I'm a marketing major, because I'm really trying to market myself. Like, this whole YouTube, I see it as a personal brand and me trying to market myself and get audience behind me. So having all this data is really convenient because it shows you all types of things, man. It really does. So again, my video I've just posted 3 hours today hasn't got a view yet. I don't know if I should be concerned about that. And then the shorts I posted yesterday that didn't get views. I'm definitely kind of concerned about that because, good or bad, shorts should at least be going through the feed. So like I said, I'm going to just stay patient. Y'all stay patient with me as well, and go ahead and be ready for next week's. Go ahead and subscribe so you get notified when I do post next week's video. But I really appreciate y'all if y'all have made it this far. I don't really know what y'all want out of these reviews. So like if there are specific things that you're looking for, please let me know, and I will make sure to put that in the video. I'll probably end up just screen recording like a lot of my YouTube data and kind of just let y'all see it. But yeah, man, I really appreciate it, like I said, and especially if you made it this far. That's huge. I don't think y'all even realize, because you get my watch time up, you're getting my engagement up. So if you really made it this far, I truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. And subscribe and join the family, man. This is not just a me and you thing. This is a community. I really am trying to make the world a better place, man, bit by bit, doing my part. So with that, as always, y'all be good. Y'all be blessed. Peace.